guys, today we're gonna be making some Jell-O, and it's gonna be right here some strawberry Jell-O. So first off, we'll need 2 cups boiling water and 2 cups cold water, and also we'll need this gelatin packet. We need a spoon, and also we need like a bowl. So we add boiling water to gelatin mix out of here. And then now we add the boiling water. So now we mix it. So we stir this for 2 minutes until it's dissolved. I think it's getting pretty good by far. How do you think, Pa?
Yeah, it's all dissolved.
Stir in the cold water, which is right here.
Dump it in there.
Now we stir it in. Now we refrigerate it for 4 hours. And tomorrow we will show you the taste tests. Thank you for watching.